पढ़ाई नहीं रुकेगी कि हमारे ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर आज हम अंग्रेजी विषय की एक और बहुत ही बेहतरीन लर्निंग लेकर उपस्थित हैं। आज की हमारी अंग्रेजी विषय की एक्सपर्ट माननीय अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम है। द थ्रिल्स ऑफ कान्हा किसली किस वंडरफुल लर्निंग को हम शुरू करें, इसके पहले आज की हमारी अंग्रेजी विषय की विशेषज्ञ माननीय अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम और विषय को जानने के जिज्ञासु आप सभी विद्यार्थियों और उनके शिक्षकों का भावभीना स्वागत है। अब पढ़ाई नहीं रुकेगी अपने स्लोगन के साथ आइए इस वंडरफुल लर्निंग को हम देखें और बहुत ही सम्मान के साथ आमंत्रित हैं माननीय अपर्णा चक्रवर्ती मैम।
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everybody. Hope you all are fine. And now let's start today's very interesting, more than it is very informative lesson of class 8. Today we'll talk about animals. As we all know, animals are categorized into 3 categories: pet animals, farm animals, and wild animals. Now, pet animals are those animals which we keep them at home for, we love them, we adore them, but they are of, they do not give us any kind of products or something. Farm animals are those animals which provides us some products. For example, cow, milk, goat. We get milk, hen, eggs, and so on. Third category is wild animals. Wild animals are the animals which live in jungle. They cannot be be kept at home, or they are of they do not provide us any products, but they are the animals whose home is jungle. Now today we'll talk about wild animals. Children, wild animals are very important as they have their skin or the teeth of ivory, which is called ivory of elephant, are very precious. So hunters in jungle, hunters go and they kill these wild animals. For this, government decided to protect them, to give security, to secure them, and so government organized national parks. These are the jungles which is administered by government. And today we'll talk about a national park in Mandla district, very close to Jabalpur, and it is situated in Kanha Kisli. These national parks are administered by government. They are the areas prohibited or protected. They are prohibited for people. We cannot go there without permission of government. And these animals are protected there, and people cannot go there without anybody's permission. Today we'll discuss about a beautiful national park which is situated in Kanha Kisli. It is protected for its flora and fauna and different types of species of wild animals. Wildlife lovers from national and international levels come in thousands to visit Kanha Kisli during peak season. Before reading this lesson, we'll enrich our vocabulary, and so we'll take some new words and their meanings. First word is excitement. EXCITEMENT. Excitement means uttejna. You are very curious, or when you visit or when you go for a picnic, यू आर वेरी क्यूरियस और आप बहुत उत्तेजित हो जाते हैं अपनी अनुभवों को शेयर करने के लिए. Experience, experience. Experience means anubhav, which you get while go doing something or going to a new place. Existence, existence. Existence means astitva or to create. Preserve, preserve. Preserve, सुरक्षित रखना, conserve, save it, or to protect it. Abundance, abundance. Abundance, बहुतायत, बहुत अनेक संख्या में, अधिक संख्या में, और in many numbers. Inspiration, inspiration. Inspiration, उत्प्रेरणा और motivation. Ferocious, ferocious. Ferocious means very, इसको भयानक भी बोल सकते हैं, और it is very animals. For example, it is used for wild animals. They get ferocious when they come close to human beings. Ugr, cruel. Attractive, 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 आकर्षित करना, to attract, or to feel of feeling of seeing something or hearing something which you like to have it. Thrilling, 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 romanch, adventurous. Appraised, appraised, सूचित कराना. These were some new words which will come across the lesson while we'll read the lesson. Now today's lesson is lesson 2, Thrills of Kanha Kismi. Have you ever been to a national park? कभी आपने किसी राष्ट्रीय उद्यान को विजिट किया है? नेशनल पार्क का हिंदी अर्थ है राष्ट्रीय उद्यान. Which animals did you see there? जैसा कि मैंने आप सबको बताया, राष्ट्रीय उद्यान में हमें जंगली जानवर ही दिखते हैं. हाँ, other animals also, but they are actually protected for protected. They are made protected area for wild animals. They are protected from hunters. They are protected from other people who can harm them. Actually, this lesson is a dialogue between two cousins, and you all know cousins means brothers or sisters who are in relations. This is a dialogue between two cousins, Dev and Suvikya. Dev has recently visited Kanha Kisli and is very excited. He wants to share his excitement and experiences with his cousin. Now Dev tells Suvikya, have you seen Kanha Kisli? Suvikya, what's that? Dev, oh, you don't know anything about it? It is a very beautiful national park. Suvikya, where is it situated? Dev, it is in Mandla district near Jabalpur in MP. It is 83 kilometers away from Balaghat. Suvikya, how can we reach there? Dev, we can reach there by bus. We can also go there by rail and even by air. The nearest railway station and airport is Jabalpur. Suvikya, Dev, tell me more about Kanha. Children, this lesson is based on a dialogue between two cousins whose names are Dev and Suvikya. As you all know, Dev has recently का अर्थ होता है अभी हाल में, recently visited Kanha Kisli, and so he is very excited to share his experiences and feelings about this, his tour to his cousin Suvigya. So he asked Suvigya, Suvigya, have you ever seen Kanha Kisli? Now Suvigya doesn't know anything about Kanha Kisli. So she asked, what is it? Dev is surprised. He says, oh, you don't know anything about Kanha Kisli. It is a very beautiful national park. And now Suvigya asks its situation. So Dev says that it is in Mandla district near Jabalpur and it is 83 kilometers away from Balaghat. Now Suvigya's next question was, how can we reach there? So Dev said that we can go by bus, by train or by air. But the nearest railway station or airport is Jabalpur. Means we have to go through Jabalpur. Now Suvigya is much excited and now she wants to know everything about Kanha Kisli. So she tells Dev to describe about Kanha Kisli. Now we'll see in the next portion what is the description of Kanha Kisli. Dev, Kanha National Park came into existence in 1955. Since then, it has been protected for its flora and fauna. It preserves the wildlife species in abundance. It is known as one of the finest and best administered national park in Asia. It attracts wildlife lovers and tourists in thousands during the peak season. It is also a source of inspiration and attraction for the nature lovers. Suvigya was surprised. With surprise, she says, how did you come to know about it? They, my uncle is a manager in MP State Tourism Department. At present, he is posted at Kanha Kisli. He invited us all to see it. So, recently I visited Kanha Kisli with my parents. Suvigya, what did you see there? They, I went to Bagheera log huts, Kisli, where my uncle lives. Kisli is a dense forest with wild, ferocious animals. Tourists go there and enjoy the natural scenery, jungle life, wild animals, and birds. Suvigya, which animal did you see there? Dev, oh, the most attractive creature of Kanha National Park is tiger. Luckily, I had a glimpse of the tigers. People go on elephants for locating tigers. It is really thrilling to see tigers sitting or lying inside the dense bushes and hedges. I saw a tiger drinking water from the nearby rivulet. What happened? We happened to see a tigress along with her two cubs. Her eyes were flashing like glass balls. Suvigya, don't the tigers attract tourists? Dev, Not generally. People enter forest quietly. People and even children are instructed to keep quiet inside the jungle. We have to maintain some distance too. Aren't there some animals? So we asked, besides tiger, what animals are there? They, yes, there are. We saw black bugs, cheetahs, sambars, deer, spotted deer, gauze, which is also known as Indian bison, horned antelopes, and stags. It is the habitat of 20 species of mammals. There are palm squirrels, apes or langurs, monkeys, jackals, wild pigs, wild dogs, chosingas, four-horned antelopes. Chosingas are also known as four-horned antelopes, hyenas, and jungle cat in plenty. Suvikya, oh, it must be a wonderful place to see. Dev, it is really worth seeing. Even the bird lovers enjoy the sight. There are 200 species of birds in Kanha. Water birds are visible near pools. Early morning and late afternoons are the best times for watching birds. Even common fowls, doves, hawks, eagles, pigeons, flycatchers, woodpeckers are abundantly found. Suvigya, thank you, Dev. You have told me a pleasant and thrilling place. We shall make a plan to visit Kanha with my parents next summer vacation. Dev, but try to reach Kisli before sunset. Since vehicles are not permitted in the park after sunset. Children were then called for dinner and the discussion ended on a happy note. As you all um, learned about Kanha Kisli, I'll in short give some important informations. Actually, this lesson is a dialogue between two cousins, as you all know, Dev and Suvikya. Dev has recently visited National Park, Kanha Kisli National Park, and so he is very much excited to share his experiences. Now, Suvikya doesn't know anything about Kanha Kisli. So she asked, where is it situated? Dev said, Kanha, as you all know, Kanha Kisli is situated in Mandla district near Jabalpur. The nearest airport or railway station is Jabalpur because we can reach Kanha Kisli by bus, by train or by air. But we have to go through Jabalpur. Now, Kanha National Park came into existence in 1955. And since then, it has been protected for its flora and fauna, means species. It preserves wildlife in abundance. In abundance in means in numerous number. It is also, as you all know that, you should know that Kanha Kisli is the best and the finest administered national park all over Asia. From All over the world and from all over our country, wildlife lovers and tourists come to visit Kanha Kisli during peak season. It is also a source of inspiration for nature lovers. Dev came to know about Kanha Kisli because his uncle is posted at Kanha Kisli as a manager in MP State Tourism Department. So he invited Dev and his family to visit Kanha Kisli. Now they visited Kanha Kisli with his parents. They went to Bagheera log huts. These are the huts which are built in Kanha Kisli. Kisli is a dense forest with ferocious animals. And tourists go there and enjoy the natural scenery, that is jungle life. Kanha Kisli is a reserve forest for tigers. So the most attractive creature is tiger. People go there to have a glimpse of tigers. But vehicles are not allowed inside the jungle. So people go on elephants for locating tigers. It is very thrilling to see tigers sitting or lying near dense bushes. Bushes, small uh, 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 hedges type where tigers like to sit or lie down. They saw tiger drinking water in rivulet. Rivulet is the small river or the a part of a big river which flows from the forest. They also saw a tigress with her two cubs. The young ones of tigers are called cubs. See, when the tigress is with her cubs, she is very alert, and so her eyes always flash like glass balls. As Suvikya asks that tigers are very ferocious, so do they attack tourists? They've said no, not generally, because tourists are not allowed to enter forest on their own vehicles, and they are not allowed to go alone also. Guides are provided and children are instructed to keep silence so that the jungle life is not disturbed. As we all know, they are jungle wild animals, and if they feel the unsafe, they can attack. Other animals in Kanha Kisli are, as from this lesson, we knew that there are 20 species of mammals and 200 species of birds found in Kanha Kisli. Some of the animals are blackbucks, cheetahs, sambas, deers, horned antelopes, chosingas, stags, etc. Other small animals are palm squirrels, monkeys, jackals, wild pigs, wild dogs, hyenas, and jungly cat. Birds, about 200 species of birds includes common fox, doves, pigeons, flycatchers, woodpeckers, etc. The best time to view bird or to watch birds are early morning or late afternoon when they leave their nest or when they return to their nests. Water birds are also found in abundance. Now, after hearing such a thrilling and interesting information about Kanha Kisli from Dev, Suvigya is much excited to visit Kanha with her parents. So she promised Dev that next summer vacation they will make plan to visit Kanha Kisli. Kanha Kisli जो पार्ट है वो एक डायलॉग मीन्स वार्तालाप है दो कजन्स के बीच में। कजन्स यानी अपने चाचा मामा, जो रिश्ते के भाई बहन होते हैं उन्हें हम कजन्स कहते हैं, और उनके नाम है देव और सुविज्ञा। देव ने हाल ही में कान्हा राष्ट्रीय उद्यान का भ्रमण किया था और वो बहुत ही उत्तेजित है अपने अनुभवों को शेयर करने के लिए, बांटने के लिए। तो देव ने सुविज्ञा से पूछा कि क्या कान्हा के बारे में जानते हैं? तो सुविज्ञा ने कान्हा के बारे में कभी सुना ही नहीं था। तो देव से उन्होंने पूछा कि कान्हा किसली क्या है, कहाँ है और हम वहां कैसे पहुंचेंगे। तो चिल्ड्रन, कान्हा किसली एक बहुत ही सुंदर राष्ट्रीय उद्यान है, नेशनल पार्क। यह मंडला जिले में स्थित है जो हमारे जबलपुर के पास है। यहाँ पहुंचने के लिए हम बस में भी जा सकते हैं, ट्रेन की सफर भी कर सकते हैं या एयर से भी जा सकते हैं। लेकिन सबसे पास का जो कान्हा किसली जाने का रेलवे स्टेशन या एयरपोर्ट है वो जबलपुर है। मीन्स हमें जबलपुर से होकर ही कान्हा जाना पड़ेगा। कान्हा के बारे में और ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देव से सुविज्ञा ने पूछा। तो कान्हा नेशनल पार्क का निर्माण 1955 में किया गया। तब से कान्हा को उसके फ्लोरा एंड फौना मीन्स जाति, वाइल्ड जंगली जानवरों के जाति एवं प्रजाति, फ्लोरा एंड फौना मीन्स जाति एवं प्रजाति के लिए सुरक्षित किया गया। यहाँ पर असंख्य संख्या में जंगली जानवरों को सुरक्षित किया जाता है। कान्हा नेशनल पार्क को एशिया का सबसे अच्छा नेशनल पार्क माना जाता है। यहाँ पीक सीजन, भ्रमण के सीजन में हजारों की संख्या में जो जंगल लाइफ को पसंद करते हैं वो यहाँ टूरिस्ट, पर्यटक कान्हा भ्रमण करने आते हैं और जंगल लाइफ का आनंद उठाते हैं। कान्हा जाने के लिए देव के जो अंकल हैं वो एमपी टूरिस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में मैनेजर और वो इस समय कान्हा में पोस्टेड है। उन्होंने देव और उनके पेरेंट्स को कान्हा विजिट करने के लिए इनवाइट किया। देव और उनके माता पिता कान्हा नेशनल पार्क गए और वो जब किसली गए तो किसली जो है वो बहुत ही घना वन है, डेंस फॉरेस्ट यानी घना वन है विथ वाइल्ड फेरोशियस एनिमल्स, जहां बहुत ही उग्र जंगली जानवर रहते हैं। लोग वहां जाते हैं ताकि उन्हें जंगल लाइफ, नेचुरल सीनरी, प्रकृति को बिल्कुल करीब से देख सके। कान्हा नेशनल पार्क जो है वो टाइगर रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट है, इसीलिए वहां का जो सबसे आकर्षित जीव है वो है टाइगर, बाघ। वहां पर बाघ देखने के लिए हमें हाथियों पर गाइड लेकर जाते हैं। बच्चों को इंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है कि वो बिल्कुल हल्ला ना करे, कोई भी वहां अकेला या अपने वाहन से नहीं जा सकते। अक्सर वहां पर घने बुशेस और हेजेस यानी जो झाड़ियां होती हैं उनके बीच में बाघ हमें धूप तापते हुए मिल जाते हैं। कभी कभी छोटी छोटी नदियों में या पोखरों में वो पानी पीते भी दिख जाते हैं। टाइग्रस जो होती है, बाघिन जो होती है, वो अपने शावकों के साथ, कब्स मीन्स शावक, शावकों के साथ भी दिखती हैं। ये सब नजारा देव ने देखा है और वो सुविज्ञा को बता रहा है। People and even children are instructed to keep quiet. लोगों को वहां आदेशित किया जाता है कि वो शांत रहें और जानवरों को बिल्कुल भी डिस्टर्ब ना करें। क्यों? क्योंकि डिस्टर्ब होने पर वो हम पर आक्रमण कर सकते हैं। टाइगर्स के अलावा वहां पर हमें कई प्रकार के जानवर दिखाई देते हैं। जो टाइगर कान्हा है वहां पर कम से कम 20 स्पीशीज ऑफ मैमल्स, 20 प्रजातियां स्तनधारी पशुओं के पाए जाते हैं और 200 स्पीशीज पक्षियों के, कम से कम 200 प्रजाति पक्षियों के पाए जाते हैं। पक्षियों को अगर देखना है तो उसका सबसे अच्छा समय होता है सुबह सुबह या शाम के वक्त, जब वो या तो अपना घोंसला छोड़ते हैं या जब वो अपने घोंसले में लौटते हैं। इस तरह से देव से कान्हा के बारे में सुनने पर सुविज्ञा बहुत ही उत्सुक है कान्हा विजिट करने के लिए और उसने प्रॉमिस किया देव से कि अगले जो ग्रीष्म अवकाश होगा उस समय वो अपने माता पिता के साथ कान्हा विजिट करने का प्लान बनाएंगे। Children, you learned about Kanha Kisli. Moral of this story is wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. अगर हम जंगली जानवरों को अपने उसमें रखेंगे या अपने हक में रखेंगे तो वो खुश नहीं रहेंगे। इसीलिए जंगली जानवरों को जंगल में ही आजाद रहने का हक मिलना चाहिए। यह इस पाठ की नैतिक शिक्षा है और इसके कारण जंगली जानवरों को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, टू प्रिजर्व वाइल्ड लाइफ, टू कंजर्व स्पीशीज, गवर्नमेंट established many national parks in different parts of India. Because if these national parks are not organized, then all these animals will become extinct. ये सारे प्रजाति विलुप्त हो जाएंगे क्योंकि शिकारी उन्हें अपने स्वार्थ के लिए खत्म कर देंगे। इस लेसन के एक्सरसाइज we move on to the exercise portion of this lesson. Binomials, we will learn about binomials. Binomials are birds which often go in pairs. For example, and in this lesson there are many binomials. For example, the first binomial was flora and fauna, jati evam prajati. Here it is given, fill in the blanks and you have to fill them with binomials. First, law and order, niyam और कानून, कानून और नियम. Bread and butter, these words always go in pair. On and off, up and down, salt and pepper. Namak, salt means namak, pepper यानी मिर्च. Now and then, now यानी अभी, then यानी तब, अब और तब. Black and white, health and hygiene, time and tide, forks and knives. These were some binomials. Binomials, again I'll repeat, binomials are the words which always go in pair. One word is incomplete, so you have to read both law and order, bread and butter in this way. On towards question answers. What is Kanha Kisli? Kanha Kisli is a very beautiful national park. Where is it situated? It is situated in Mandla district near Jabalpur. When did Kanha National Park come into existence? Kanha National Park came into existence in 1955. What attracts the tourists there? Wildlife and jungle life attracts the tourists there. Also, tigers are the most attractive creature in Kanha Kisli. What types of huts are there at Kanha? The huts at Kanha are called Bagheera log huts. What else can be seen in Kanha besides animals? Besides animals, there are about 200 species of birds which is seen in Kanha, and you can write their names also last paragraph of this lesson. I'll show you some pictures of Kanha Kisli. These are called Bagheera log huts. See how dense it is. This is the picture of Kisli. Dense forest with ferocious wild animals. The most attractive creature of Kanha is the tiger. It is for and it is also known as Tiger Reserve Forest National Park. It is a reserve national park for tigers. See, these are all the pictures of Kanha National Park. Here, tigress with her cubs. See, she is having her two cubs lying near the hedges. Here, dense Kisli forest with other animals. Elephants, spotted deers, birds like peacocks. So you saw some pictures of Kanha Kisli where there are about 20 species of mammals and about 200 species of birds. Summary of this lesson is Kanha Kisli is a very beautiful national park. It is situated in Mandla district near Jabalpur. It is existed in 1955. It attracts wildlife lovers in thousands during peak season. It is one of the best and finest administered national park in Asia. The most attractive creature of Kanha National Park is tiger. We can often see tigers near rivulets drinking water or lying down or sitting under the hedges or bushes. Kanha Kisli is also a natural habitat of 20 species of mammals and about 200 species of birds. Kanha National Park is finest administered park which is found in uh, which is situated in Mandla district. Up now plurals. If we go on to plurals, plurals means बहुवचन. Nouns are of two kinds, singular noun and plural noun. Singular means single and plural means more than one, two or many. Pony, if you are having y at the end of any singular noun and before y there is a consonant, then y is removed and we'll write ies. So the plural is ponies, ponies. अगर किसी एक वचन संज्ञा के अंत में y है और उसके आगे व्यंजन है तो y हट जाएगा और उसमें ies जुड़ जाएगा. बहुवचन बनाने के लिए पोनी का पोनीज हो जाएगा PONIES. And if there is a vowel before y, then we will not remove y, we will add s, and so it will become plural. अगर किसी एक वचन संज्ञा के अंत में y है और उसके आगे vowel है यानी कि स्वर है तो y नहीं हटेगा, उसमें s जुड़ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मंकी, मंकीज, MONKEYS. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर अंत में y है उसके आगे व्यंजन है तो y हट के IES लगेगा बहुवचन बनाने के लिए, और अगर स्वर है तो y नहीं हटेगा, उसमें सिर्फ s जुड़ जाएगा. अगर एक वचन संज्ञा के अंत में o है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पियानो, तो उसमें हमें ES जोड़ना है. Pianos, we have to add ES to make plurals. PIANOES, pianos. अगर एक वचन संज्ञा के अंत में F है तो हमें F हटाकर VES लगाना है. F, FE या VE. अगर एक वचन संज्ञा के अंत में F या FE या VE है तो अंत के F या FE या VE हट के VES जुड़ जाएगा बहुवचन बनाने के लिए. टू मेक plural we have to remove F and add VES. For example, LEAF, leaf, पत्ती, LEAVES, leaves, पत्तियां. Proof, PROOF, you have to remove F, VES, proves. Ox, oxen, OXEN. Tomato, as I said earlier, you have to add ES to make it tomatoes. Company, Y, अंत में Y है और Y के पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है, व्यंजन है, तो Y हट जाएगा और IES जुड़ जाएगा. कंपनीज, COMPANIES, कंपनीज. आर्मी, again ARMIES, army. Knife, KNIFE, you have to remove FE and add VES, knives. Deer, deer, deer का बहुवचन भी deer ही होता है. Man servant, here MAN, man का बहुवचन होगा MEN, men servants. Mouse, mice, dozen, dozens. Lady, again Y हट के IES, ladies. We move on to gender. Gender यानी लिंग. जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है लिंग तीन प्रकार के होते हैं, पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग और neuter gender, means masculine gender, feminine gender and neuter gender. Masculine gender related to males, feminine gender related to females, neuter gender means which is neutral, that is, for example, we use it for objects. Here there are some genders which you have to change their genders. Actor, actress, horse, mare, king, queen, aunt, uncle, madam, sir, wife, husband, father, mother, man, woman, fox, vixen, son, daughter, host, hostess, milkman, milkmaid, cow, ox, lion, lioness, master, mistress. Rewrite these sentences changing the gender of the noun. Now you have provided some sentences. You have to change their genders. The first sentence is the poet received the prize from the queen. Now you have to pick out noun. First noun is poet and second is queen. Poet kavi, जिसका स्त्रीलिंग होगा कवियत्री, मीन्स पोएटेस. क्वीन रानी, पुल्लिंग होगा किंग. So the sentence will be the poetess received the prize from the king. Priest blessed the heiress with the crown. Priest, पुजारी, blessed the heiress, उत्तराधिकारिणी मतलब स्त्रीलिंग. उसका जो वर्जन चेंज होगा वो है हेयर. हेयर मीन्स उत्तराधिकारी, HEIR, हेयर. विद द क्राउन, ताज. क्राउन मीन्स ताज. द priestess blessed the hair with the crown. Hunter shot the peacock. Hunter shikari. Another noun is peacock, more. So you have to change gender of hunter, huntress. पीकॉक मोर का मोरनी होगा और मोरनी को इंग्लिश में पीहेन बोलते हैं. तो द सेंटेंस विल बी द huntress shot the peahen. Mrs. Chopra is a good actress. Here Mrs. Chopra will be transformed into Mr. Chopra is a good actor. Actress feminine gender, actor masculine gender. The sentence will be written as Mr. Chopra is a good actor. The hero of the film took the horse with him. Now the two nouns are hero and horse. Hero will be changed as heroine and horse as mare. So the sentence will be written as the heroine of the lesson took the mare with her. Him nahi, her. Here let's talk about, you meet your friend Rahul and he tells you about few things written above. Okay. Now tell your friend Anil about Rahul, what Rahul told you. Here Rahul told some sentences about him. I would like to visit it again. I visited Kanha Kisli in holidays. I liked its natural beauty. I went to Bagheera log huts. I reached there by bus. I saw many birds and animals. I would like to visit it again. This is a task for you children. First of all, you have to put these sentences in sequence. Which sentence will come first? For example, the first sentence will be I visited Kanha Kisli in the holidays. Who is saying this? Rahul. Second sentence will be I reached. How did you reach? I reached there by bus. Third will be I liked its natural scene beauty. Fourth, I went to Bagheera log huts. Fifth, I saw many birds and animals. I would like to visit it again. You have to put them in sequence and now you have to transform this sentence into indirect form. Means you have to explain these sentences to Anil what Rahul told you. For example, first sentence have been written for you. Rahul said that he visited Kanha Kisli during the holidays. In this way, you have to write all the 6 sentences. Rahul said that, he said that, he liked the natural beauty of Kanha Kisli, he went to Bagheera Loggers, and so on. This is a task for you. Complete it and show it to your teachers. There is a passage, an unseen passage, which is very important and this is very important for examination point of view also. Tigers, it is about tigers. Read this passage and write all the answers of these questions given in this passage. This is also a task for you. So children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You got all the informations, important informations about animals, and very importantly about the National Forest, National Park of Kanha Kisli. Make your plans to visit Kanha Kisli with your parents. You must be excited for watching Kanha Kisli, its creatures, its wildlife animals, its natural beauty, and I'll also till then goodbye. We'll again meet with another interesting and an informative topic of class 8. Till then, goodbye to all and good night. Thank you so much.